Dear Governor Chukwuma Soludo, the
Pay
executive
attention
governor
to
of
this video.
Anambra State. This young picture you see here of this young boy is the only son of his mother. And
Okay.
I learned that she is the Abgas women leader of Anambra State.
Okay.
This boy is dead. He was kidnapped in Anambra State, Oka, state capital, where you stay. You are a failure of a governor. You have shown that you cannot protect Anambrarians. Currently, your goal is coming back for second tenure. So the insecurity in Anambra State, you are doing practically nothing about it. January 2025, I called you out on the insecurity in Ihiala local government area.
Okay.
Insecurity. I called you out. 2021, during the last governorship election, a governorship aspirant was kidnapped in Ihiala local government area. Till today, nobody don't hear about the man. December last year, a serving member of your House of Assembly, one of serving member, was kidnapped, I think on Onisha constituency, on Onisha local government, anyone, was kidnapped and pied, and you are a governor of Anambra State. Your concern is campaign and criticizing Peter Obi. State capital, Oka. Go to Asaba Delta State, all the hotels are fully booked by weekends. Investments that are supposed to stay in Anambra State, they are all going to Asaba. I don't have anything against Asaba, understand my point too. All the people in Anambra State are coming to Delta State to build hotels, build plazas, and build houses. And the governor of Anambra State is busy speaking grammar of progressives. You have seriously failed, Governor Soludo. You have seriously failed. Your children are not in Nigeria. I wish you can bring back your son Ozona to live in Anambra State, okay? Now, my problem is the governor, and my problem again is the Anambra State influencers and content creators. They are falling in love with money and views so much.
Attention.
None of them is calling out Soludo to do his job. He will bring them together and give them peanuts, and then they will close their mouths. Failed content creators and failed influencers. You go reach Unatan one day. Now look at the son. Oka. This will not happen for Uli or for neighboring Oka state capital, despite ransom being paid. One of my relatives was kidnapped in Oka last year. He paid him something million. This young man now was kidnapped. They pay ransom, they still buy him. Governor, if you do nothing about this, then you have totally failed. You have nothing to campaign. Get the killers of this boy. Get the killers of this boy. Or may they carry the dead body, go drop for gate of government house for you, may you chop him. And people pay. That person picking be the same way you love your son or son, and that is the same way this boy is the only son of the parents. The only son of the parents. You have failed so much as governor of Anambra State. I'm disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed in Soludo. I don't know what you're coming to do in second tenor. I don't know what you're coming to do in second tenor. If you cannot protect people in Oka, you have no business in the government house. Resign and go home and rest. You have failed. Soludo, you have failed Anambra State. Anambra is my state. And I'm telling you that you have failed Anambra State. Young entrepreneur. Growing business in Nigeria is very difficult. And the young boy is into fish business. Hustler. Legit. No be Yahoo boy. No be kidnapper. No be Yahoo. Ojeri is worry. Anabalo onwe ya mbọ. Failed government. Failed Soludo. I'm disappointed at you. If you either go, Soludo either go nka. Unless you fetch the perpetrators of this. And we will see how they are prosecuted. We will see. Failed governor. I've been very disappointed at you. Soludo. All the media aid now don't keep quiet. Because of campaign. All the creators and influencers. I think I'm the only Anambra citizen that is calling out Soludo. Others in actual views. You just have views, you kidnap or you can do law. Nonsense.
I'm very, very happy that we still have somebody like Dr. Paul Ezike who know the reason and the purpose of government in every society. The reason you will play a video here because if ndị Igbo anyị just na-aghọ onwe ha aghụghọ we just keep on beating around the bush. Do you understand me? Amaram now because now some of us amaro the reason and the purpose eji wee nwee ife a na-akpọ government in a society, because some of us nwere ike anyị amara that no government ka ọ dị n'aka protect life from property. Do you understand me? Ọ fanwa ya emebi iwu, fanwa ga-enforce that iwu. Ụdị ife a mere this guy a na-akpọ ife si na chi fish magnet, ife na-eme ebe ọ bụ that na-enwero gọọmenti, ebe bụ that na-enwe ife a na-akpọ failed state or ihe a na-akpọ failed leadership, ebe gọọmenti adịghị exist, ebe this type of thing ị na-afụ na-eme, ebe enwere ike ịbata be mmadụ kpọpụta ya, kidnap onye ahụ, kwụcha ransom, a communicate with those people na phone, amakwụọ ransom, akwụcha ransom, see it, akpa ya the person. And if onye Igbo ya pụta na social media na-agwa gị na the governor abụrụ the problem, na the governor gwara ndị jere kidnap ya jee kidnap ya, it means that na inwe sụkọ. Ị jụọ n'onwe gị the reason why bụ that na nwa gọvanọ gị alụrụ Naijiria gụọ akwụkwọ, anọrọ Naijiria wee zụ ya, ị jụọ n'onwe gị the reason why ị chọrọ ịmanụ ihe pụtara idefend the politicians fedugo mụ na gị na-abụ. Because ọ bụ na enwere ife a na-akpọ leadership, first of all, this kind of things agaghị na-eme. Achọrọ m iji ihe gbasara Osama bin Laden wee mara ya atụ. Osama bin Laden nwere havoc and a lot of things o megasị ma nke ọkọ so na American government nọrọ ka ha na-enene their citizen, ka their citizen na-akpa anyị. The answer is no. Ha ebido chụwa Osama bin Laden ebe soro anya nọrọ. Today ha endịrị onye bụ Osama bin Laden na plan ya niile na ife afọ ihe ahụ ọ na-terrorize their people. Today somebody unu feel that na anyị my one group of people n'ọfanwa na cause ife na-eme na be anyị, and na anyị nwa suppose ikwu maka ya, and na anyị nwa ga-ejideva, then ka ezi the purpose of your government. Ọ bụrụ na ife na dazi na government ga-enwere ike protect life and property, there is no need of them being the governor. There is no need anyị na inwe gọvanọ, anyị ncha niile na-anọrụ onye ọbụla azọba onwe ya. Ife eji nwee gọọmenti wu ka e protect gị nwa life gị na property gị, nye gị good educational system, nye gị good health care system, nye gị good road, gbapuolu gị mmiri, nye gị basic need of life. That is the reason and the purpose of a government. Ọ bụla ọmụmụnwa ga-eje n'ọgụ insecurity, ọ gọọmenti ka ọ dị n'aka organize our society. Onwegodi intelligence a suppose ị na-agada ha employ ya people ga na-enye ha information what is going on in the society. Other countries na-eme. Then if onye Igbo ya pụta na social media na-agwa gị, oh, why are we blaming the governor, but we know where our problem is coming from? Why are we not saying anything about those that is doing the thing? Oh, na one group of people na then they cause the insecurity in the southeast. Then kedizi ihe gọvanọ gị nọ eme, ihe gọvanọ gị na-eme. For example, can you quote another instance here? As a father, is your responsibility to protect your child, to defend your child, to shelter him, to clothe him, to feed him, to plan and provide the basic need of that child. Governor Soludo and every other southeastern governor today, both father and the god of southeast Nigeria. Then open a hana about fail woman again about need protect life and property. It means that now they are a failure to you and I. Then it's now campaign can don't you ever like governor Charles Soludo. One governor Charles Soludo when he keep your main market to source here. You don't reason properly. This is the problem. A lot of us who be psycho fan, eye service, notice again. Now is a praise politician enwere ike protect life from property. O mere ife sinachi bụ a young entrepreneur, a vibrant young guy ka nwere a brighter future. Kedu maka gị nwa? Oke ife that na-etu o mere na onwere ike ilute gị. Don't worry. Akwa anyị ncha niile gbara nkịtị. Don't worry yourself. It's turn by turn na. Ekidnap kata ndị na-agbara izuzu abịa na ndị na-agba korora. Afọrọsị ndị na-agba korora abịa na ndị na-agba keke. Afọrọ ndị na-agba keke abịa na ndị na-agba ọkada, bịa na ndị na-anya ma Camry, bịakwuo magbube ndị ji ọkpa aga, because onye ọbụla ejide na ọ bụ na iwetara ego akpaghị ya gị. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ebe ọ na ya achọrọ ihe odu our leaders accountable, those who promise us that they will give us a better society. nọ na social media na-akọghịrị taala. Solution is here.